Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 5, Lesson 7B. This is the second half of your notes from the last lesson. All right, to write a fraction as a percent, first of all, take the fraction, simplify it. It's the easiest thing to do. And then divide the numerator by the denominator to make it into a decimal, and then move the decimal point place to the right. Okay, so what that means is 3/8 is as small as it can go, but I'm going to take 3 and I'm going to divide it by 8. So 8 can go into 30 3 times. So moving my decimal up, that's 24. That gets me 60. 8 can go into 60 7 times. That gives me 56. Gives me 4 left over. Add another 0. 8 goes into 45 times. So here I have my decimal of 0.375. Now we're going to move it to, because that multiplies it by 100, right? And then we have 37.5. And then all I have to do is put the percent sign. Okay, let's move on. All right, 3 divided by 25. Well, 25 can go into 30, right? One time. That's going to give me 5 left. I'm going to add a 0. 25 can go into 52 times. That's going to give me 50. So now I have 0.12, and I'm going to move it 1, 2, which is going to give me 12%. Okay, we can simplify this one down, saying divide it by 2. So this is going to give me 7/8. It's going to be so much easier than 14 divided by 60. So let's say 7 divided by 8. 8 goes into 7 0 times, but it can go into 70 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. I'm going to subtract that. That's going to give me 6. I'm going to bring down another 0. That's going to go in there 7 times. That'll give me 56, which will give me 4 left over. Bring another 0, and that gives me 5. Okay, so move it 1, 2. So we get 87.5%. All right, here we go. 29 divided by 40. We're going to have to do this because there's no way to simplify it. 29 divided by 40. What is 0? Decimal is 0. Can't go into 29, but it can go into 290, and it can go in there 6 times, which is going to be, actually, it can go in there 7 times. I'll replace that. So 7 times would be 280. That'll give me 100, or 10 left. Bring down the 0 to make it 100. And go in there 2 times. That's going to give me 80. 20 left over. Bring another 0. Can go in there 5 times. Okay, give me 100. 0. Move it 1, 2. So we have 72.5%. Let's divide this down by 4. We're going to get 8 divided by 4 is 2. Goes in there 3. Oop, can I do that? No, I can't. I think that's as low as it's going to go. So, let's see, can I divide it by 2? Nope. Okay, so I'm going to have to do this. I have to do just like it is 8 divided by 125. 0. Won't go in there. Won't go in there. 800 would go in there 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. That'll be 6 times 12 plus 3 is 15. Carry the 1. And 6 times 1 plus 1 is 7. That'll give me 500 left. Okay. I go in there 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. I have 0 left, but I move it 1, 2, and that's going to give me 6.4%. All right, here are 4 problems that I want you to work out. Go ahead and remember to simplify first before you divide. Pause the video and then come back and see if you got it correctly. So for this one, you should have said 2 divided by 3. All right, so 3 goes into 2 0 times, but it can go in here 6. Uh-oh, we're going to have another repeating, aren't we? So this is the repeating. So we're going to say this is equal to 66% repeating. Okay? I got to make this improper fraction first and foremost. So I have 12. I have 19 over 12. So we're going to say 19 divided by, I should move that so I can do this better. 19 divided by 12 goes in there 1, gives me 70. I can do 5, which is 60, gives me 100, bring down a 0. All right, so see, 5 was 60, 6 would be 72, 8 would be 84, 9 would be 90, would be 8. Oh, that would be too much. I have to go back one. I have to go back 8. Let's try it. 8 would be 96. Okay, so 0 point, oops, sorry, 1 point. I didn't move my decimal right. So it'd be 1.58 on percent. Okay. All right, let's divide this one down by 3. That's going to get me 4/15. 4 divided by 15, 0. Can go in here 2 times, give me 30. Gives me a 10, add a 0. 15 can go in there 6 times, that gives me 90. This is just going to keep repeating, so this is 26% with the 6 repeating. Okay, so again, 12, this is 17, 6. So 7 divided by 6. Okay, so that's going to go in there too. My decimal. That's going to give me 12. 50 left. Bring down my 0. This goes in there 8 times. That's 48. Gives me 2. Bring down the 0. 6 can go in there 3 times. So that's 18. And that 3 is going to repeat. 1, 2. So this is 283%. Okay. Great job. That's the end of Unit 5, Lesson 7B. I will have you go back to class craft, and then I will see you back here for Unit 5, Lesson 8.